welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to move photos from Google Drive to Google Photos. All right. Before, you don't have the option to directly move it. And the workaround for that is just basically download each of photos right here. Now, once you have downloaded it, extract it, and go ahead and go to photos.google.com, and you'll have to upload those downloaded photos to here. All right. So now there's this new feature from Google Photos itself. Again, go ahead and go to photos.google.com. Now, once you're in here, click on the plus sign right here at the top right and make sure to log in, of course. Click on it. Now, go ahead and click on Google Drive right here. As you can see, before the only option right here is only upload or import photos. Let's just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you can go ahead and look at our recents right here. Go ahead and go to My Drive. Okay. Share with me. Stored or computers. All right. My Drive right here. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down and select the photo where I would want to move to Google Photos. Say, for example, this picture right here and maybe this video. Okay. I'm just going to hit on upload. And it says here, choose your backup quality. Could be original quality or a storage saver. And as you can see here, I still have plenty of storage. I'm just going to go ahead and select original quality and hit on continue and just basically wait for it. It's done. As you can see, that is now added in here. And you might be wondering, where is the video? All right, I uploaded one video and one photo. So basically, you'll find that in here under collections. Click on the videos and there you have it. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.